Welcome to HTV7. Cook with HTV7. Love to eat, then learn to cook.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to make chicken mushrooms and veg with macaronis. So let's see what we need to make it and how can we cook it. Now we are going to boil our macaronis. So here's the boiling water. Add salt to taste. And for each 500 gram of pasta, bring 5 liters of water to the boil. And add macaronis. Cook for 9 minutes to the desired texture. Now we are going to prepare our chicken stock for macaronis. So add little bit oil. Let it heat up. Now add little bit garlic and saute it. Now add salt. Now add your chicken. Now add carrots, celery, and saute it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Now add little bit black pepper. Now add water. And let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now we are going to prepare our creamy chicken mushroom with macaronis. So let's add a little bit oil. Now add the garlic. And saute a little bit. Now add your chicken. Now add onion. Now you can add your mushrooms. Now add the chicken stock, which we have made already. And let it cook until the stock gets dry. As there is a little bit water left, we will add our veggies. So green beans, capsicums, carrots, and green capsicum as well, and stir a little bit. We don't have to cook them too much, otherwise they would lose their crunchiness. So at this point you can add your salt according to your taste. Now you can add your cheese. You can use any kind of cheese. I'm using 3 kinds of cheese. It's mozzarella, cheddar, and tasty. So now we can add our macaronis. Irresistible aroma is coming up. Now we can add cream, chicken cream. Now we can add a little bit Italian herbs. And a little bit black pepper. Just mix it well. You can add more cheese if you want to. So we're gonna cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. irresistible aroma is coming up. I just want to eat it as quickly as possible. So it's just almost ready. Just another minute and we'll dish it out. You see how beautiful it is. So we'll dish it out now. So let's try. Wow, it's amazing taste, beautiful recipe. I would say do try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel HTV7. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.